Hello, so I have a job for you to do, and the job involves you doing some data entry tasks here. So this is the video. I'm going to show you how to do it. So I'm going to send you these links um, one by one so you can look it up for me. So this list right here is from the DC government website, and these are some lists I want you to access. So I want you to do some data entry with them and put it in an Excel spreadsheet. And I'm going to show you one example, and you're going to do this for both lists. So the first list I'm going to go into is the DCRA Blight list for 2016. Okay, I've already pulled that up, and I have that right here. Okay, and it kind of comes like this, and you see there about four pages here of this list. And what I want you to do is, you see the square and the lot, so that's 1297 for the square, and the lot is 0074. So you're going to go to this website. It's like this, and I'm going to send you the link for this as well. Okay, and in this website you're going to click, remember this is for the Blight list. Okay, there's Blight and there's vacant. You're going to separate the two of them. So for the Blight list, you're going to put in the number that you see there, 12970074. So you come back here, 12970074. You type that in here, you leave this blank, and you type that in here, and then you hit the DC search. Before we do that, I want to show you an example of another entry. So some of them have the letter E between them, or N or something like that. When you see those particular letters, when you get here, you put that letter here, whether it's E or it's N, or if it's blank, just leave it blank. So once we hit that, we'll see that we will hit search, and it's searching. Please wait. And it'll pop up something like this. So this is the street address of the property. Okay, so over here, and this is the owner, and that's the lot number we typed in, so we know we have the right place. You can ignore kind of these things here, but when you get here, I'm going to send you this. This is for the Blight. It matches with the Blight. So that's the name of the owner. Okay, the Michelle Dunbar Construction. You type that in. You type in the property address that it pops up for you. So it popped in a property address, 1724 Street Northwest. You can click it, and you scroll down. It gives you the address again, Street Northwest, and you go ahead and write that in the address. Okay, the zip code, you don't need to worry about the zip code if it's not there. I just googled this to find out what the zip code is. You don't need to worry about that. Just make sure you get the owner name, you get the property address, you get the city, and then you get also the property state. Okay, so then to get this mailing address, what we do is that you have the property address here. You go to this website. Okay, I'm going to send you the link for this as well, and you come here, you put the address 1724 34th Street, make sure it matches. Okay, 1724 34th Street. Let me go back there. So I'm going to search it again. And there it goes, 1724 34th Street Northwest. So you come here, this is the street number, you put in 1724. Then you put in the street, 34th Street. 34th, sorry. Here you put the street, and whether it's northwest, northeast, southwest, whatever it is, you put that in there, and these two you just fill in. Okay, and after you fill that in, you hit the search now button. Once you hit the search now button, you see the owner name that we originally saw over here, same owner name. You look at the square lot number, it's the exact same number. So you have that, you put that in there, and then what you do is that you click it, okay? Once you've clicked it, what will pop up for you here is the owner's information. And this is what we need. So the owner name is still the same, but the mailing address is different. So if the mailing address, so whatever the mailing address is, whether it's different or the same, you enter in here. If it's the same, you just put in the same mailing address as the property address here. But if it's different, like this one is, you put in the different the different mailing address. So it says 500 H Street Northeast, number 31, DC 20002. Let's see whether that matches. 500 H Street Northeast, number 31, DC 20002, and that matches perfectly. So once you do that, you update the spreadsheet and you hit save, okay? And you go through each one of the blight list. So you go through each one of these blight lists, each one of these 4 pages, and you do that for the blight list. One more thing I want to show you over here. So we can go to previous and hit new search, and you can do it all over again and put in the property address again and look up the address from it once you've put up the address here. Okay, so back to search page, and then you go on and you take the next one. Okay, in this case that's 03690066, and you go ahead and put it in here, get the address, put it in here, and do the process all over again till you fill out this whole list. Okay, now once you're done with the blight list, you can come back here and then hit the vacant list. Okay, so if you hit the vacant list, it's the same thing. It gives you a square and a lot number. You go back here and you do it all over again, and you have a different list for the DC vacant. So I'm going to send you 2 lists, one for 2 Excel sheets. I'm going to send you this one for the blight, then I'm going to send you another blank one with the headings for the vacant. Okay, and I want you to go ahead and enter the data in each different list, all 4 pages, and have this done for me as quickly as possible. Okay, if you have any questions, you can always reach me by email. That's jide@corerealtygroup.org. Core, CORE, REALTYGROUP.org. All right, thank you.